Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best coleslaw that you need. So welcome to my channel. If you're new on here, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Don't forget to, first of all, give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. So yes, I went on to use slice. Of course, you already know how to do this part, but you can use the normal white cabbage or something, or would I say green cabbage, that's fine, but I decided to have a little fun and add a little color to mine. So I have my cabbage, I have the purple one, and I have the normal cabbage. So I just decided to put on a pop of color on there. So after that, I go on and slice the white cabbage, or the green. Is it green or white? Like, let me know in the comment section down below, because I'm confused right now. Is it green cabbage or white cabbage? Because I'm confused right now. So I went on to slice that, of course. I always just like my white cabbage to be more than the purple one, because I just want, a splash of color and all that, but not too much. So it just depends on how you want to chop up yours. I'm not that patient when it comes to chopping all this, so I just do, anyhow I want to. As long as it's nice, it's nice. So of course your carrot, I'm going ahead to get my carrot done and also put it on there. It's looking colorful right now. So I'm going ahead to mix that up together. This is what you have. It's looking real colorful, and don't mind what I'm using to turn it. This is what my hand could get to at that point. So now for the mixture, you want to put your 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. That's why I don't like giving like exact tablespoons, because it depends on the size and what you're doing. So you're supposed to add in a sugar to it, but I don't like adding sugar, so I use Sprite. I don't know if that, but I've been doing that for so long, so it works so much for me. Now also I'm adding my apple cider vinegar to it. This makes it taste bomb. I promise you, you will love it. So yeah, I've been using Sprite for so long. It's funny, but that's what I use. And then a little bit of salt. Mix that together. It makes it taste so bomb. So this is what it's looking like. That apple cider vinegar and all the stuff makes it taste more like it's not just your regular coleslaw. This is not your regular coleslaw, okay? So I just brought out a portion because you don't want to mix everything together. I'm not about to finish that. So I just brought out a portion of what I can finish and then mix it. That's how I usually do it. And then don't forget to put it in the fridge so it doesn't get spoiled or something. So you mix that yummy, and I love to have enough of that mayonnaise and everything on there. It just makes it look extra yummy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as we're coming to the end, and let me know if you tried this out and let me know how it tastes, if you liked it or not. Yeah, if you did, please do go ahead and share this video with your friends and family. Like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment, and yeah, let me know the next food you would like to see on my channel, and I'll gladly do that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.